Hello lovelies, welcome back. Today we are making Zobo drink. You guys, this is fortified Zobo. Very refreshing and iron packed. So keep watching to see how I made this. Please don't forget to like and share. Thank you. For this delicious Zobo drink, you need hibiscus leaf, which is also called Zobo leaf, pineapple, oranges, beetroots, ginger, and for my sweetener, I'll be using dates. The first step is to extract my orange juice with this manual juice extractor. You can also use juicer to do this. Benefits of oranges are they are a good source of protective antioxidant and vitamin C. The next step is to peel my pineapple, cut into pieces, blend and extract the juice. To blend the pineapple, I will be using the orange juice. I will blend until smooth. Once that is done, I will sieve with my cheesecloth and set aside. Pineapple juice has numerous benefits. It helps to promote healthy skin, digestion, and also boost immune system. Next, I will blend my dates, which will serve as a sweetener. I'm going to remove the seeds, blend until smooth and set aside. The benefits of dates are able to lower cholesterol, strengthens bones, and promotes brain health. Next, I will blend my beetroot. I peel, cut into tiny cubes, transfer in my blender, add water, blend until smooth. Once that is done, I will sieve with my cheesecloth. Beetroot provides powerful antioxidants which help reduce the risk of heart disease as well as support gut health and lowering blood pressure. The next step is to boil my Zobo leaves. I'm going to rinse with water, transfer in a pot, add the pineapple peels, ginger, add water and allow it to come to a boil. Once that is done, I will add the beetroot, blended dates, cover and allow it to cook for 3 to 5 minutes. Five minutes later, I will turn off the heat, allow it to cool down before sieving the pineapple peels and Zobo leaves. At this time it has cooled down, I will sieve the pineapple peels and Zobo leaves. I will sieve it again with my cheesecloth. Once that is done, I would add the pineapple and orange juice. Mix well to combine, transfer in a bottle and allow it to get chilled before consuming. It's so refreshing and delicious. I hope you give it a try. That is it for today's video. Thank you for watching and see you in my next one. Bye!